angina pectoris no I say ubo ayoya obi ho no say doctor me buya me ya me feel tightness tightness on me bo enu no aye angina pectoris no
angina
just say blood flow to the heart any chest you know the thoracic area no it's not enough it's not enough until bet me am sa pain no until the sa pain ni bro na say uti pain no radiating pain no no radiating pain bet me radiate and I say bet me move from obo no e dey call left shoulder left shoulder say ba left shoulder na e so to make a gidi ensa no bet me anya heart attack bet me anya dey feel loss of memory yes BP koya o complications say
I'm surprised now because they
then blood vision na ka ho asem blood vision so wani so no ntina wo wani so no BP to me say no
and so when we fra
to me frank of wani drop bia was side effects even paracetamol ye num no more dangerous drug.
Oh really?
Yes,
than BP alone.
Even than BP alone.
Oh really?
Yeah, common paracetamol ye no.
It's more dangerous.
Yes, entina just over hospital na diagnose. Enti common paracetamol so our side effect enye kra.
Okay.
Enti drug there side effect. Ena sa hypertension no, any BP no. Sorry, hypertension na BP no.
Yeah.
And I said diabetes no. I bet to me ma ubema sa yare na kasa no bet me ma ubema enye djuma.
Enye dro na befa.
Enye dro no.
Ba yare
no bet me ma sa nyama no enye djuma. Ma ka child da say mbema no. Enye dro no.
Na yare no. Na be ma bema wu.
Na be ma ubema off.
Ende mo mu pa.
Enti no mesre mo.
Yeah.
Adnusu ebetumi ama ubema akọ off.
Mama kwa baba expose GH. De bia me say ye nam na ye keka semene de yen nsam na me keka. Enne yare bi koso organa em say eku nipa eye asafem. The last time I heard news so say the leading cause of death in Ghana. Very frightening. Ebia hu ye. Bebre kwa ni so ho obi. Na ene menya doctor wa ha oba be chechim odi ni nim de oba be chechim. Ni ehu nia ebeye po a obehu se wo bi. Na wo bi ye de na ese wo ye. Nuane be na enye se wudi the exercise bebre. Enti we de main semre kra no. Me pese na ye kan BP ho asem. Blood pressure. Na ene me pacho me ne as usual Dr. Hachu Newell na ebebe obo nkomo. Doctor akwaba.
Me da say akwa. Me hu ye pa.
Isi ache.
Oh
okay. Pacho bibia boko de.
Nya kokon na.
We no ma.
Omo ye.
Okay, da nyame ase.
Amen.
Pacho na say BP I say ekuni padodo. Maybe suppose say obi o a o hwe wonim. What is BP?
Yo, me da say. Ye ka say BP definitions ni de edoso.
Okay.
But me kan se na be ya ye nyina betumi ate ase.
Okay.
Unye obi o ye medical person krako na obeti ase na mpempi no so no ade ye no mostly no ye ma omonye medical people.
Okay.
Enti no metumi bo ase achechim.
Okay.
Se na be ya ombeti ase. On say ye nyina wiase yakopɔ boy nyina ye wo intin awo yem.
Intini
veins.
Okay.
And I say blood vessels.
Okay, intini.
Okay. Awo yem. Enti sa blood vessels yi moja ene nem. Enu ene di moja ko akoma no. Esan di moja ebe su di moja fi akoma no ho e de ko your other organs no ho. Na sa intini ya meka wasema ya moja nemu no. Enu su ewo a certain amount of pressure as I said take. And this pressure na as I said intini taking no a bruise wa. And na a BP no.
Oh okay.
Yes.
A bruise
wa. Because akuma no uhwe se na yakopon bo akuma na that was akuma na the first organ yakopon boy a wo daw ma meyefum. organ edi kan no enti se wo hwe organ yi se organ yi eye dwuma saa we di 40 years we di 50 years na still organ yi eda so ye dwuma and non stop enja adwuma yeda enti no onu so nyi no na odi anu so ye den ego ye nipa yankasa no wo hwe sabi ye maame no mo a tama omu wo ye no wotumi se omu gina so but as time goes on omu nyi no 60 years 55 60 70 no o se na omu go sa na ye akoma no so any entena wo ye money na no so sa enti in a normal and I say in a simple term no and say pressure na I say entene no etumi hold e brusu a ena enye ena tumi di high blood pressure and hypertension
na low ne
low so no na che say pressure na akoma no entene no I say enam entene no no e wo form
entumi
pompi entumi entene no so ahonden no e wo form kakra eni you know na normal you normal blood pressure though it varies between ages it varies between ages you akola and I say akola bia no ni pressure e wo soro
akola bia
pressure e wo soro enti that means say oya akola between the age of maybe 10 years up to abia 12 years no ni pressure no bet me also kakra because of oya very active and as nipa no anyi kakra nso a pressure no ekosoro so onyi kakra say pressure no so eti kakra to the ebia normal no na e ka normal na me fa no general normal no dey you 120/80
120/80
okay just say esro die no aye 120 ana asede no aye 80 ana say 90 aye
no kwa me machine but the last time I'm checking my pressure na 128/63
yes aye range aye anytime me say general ye fa obia o wiase nyina na we assume say averagely no say pressure no be 120/80 and that's 90 but you use range wunyi ti say wunyi say minyi say ni de ye be use range amount say 120 to 135 aye normal depending on your age 120 to 135 over 80 to 90 and say be bru 90 no asede no if say nye 80 and I say 90
na drop below 80
a drop low nso a enu so aye asemfoforo
sa
yes enu so ye asemfoforo
ene sense me hwe wan asemka
so hwe wan asemka enti in a nutshell no and I say be kama yemfa bro kasa bebre emfa wanwan ade no na me pese me chemu kakra watwi mu no and say pressure no your normal pressure no is supposed to be 120 but say unyi na odi be say 40 years e kona unya between 120 to 135 aye okay okay na asie de no so no aye 80 to 90 a and so ye okay
wow interesting number 2 obi nam ho onim ye no den na me hu say baby a ne ekomi mu no me yenya pressure is it high na low me yenya bibi symptoms bi wo na
yes nyama ebetumi ayi a kire say obi wo BP dey bebre wo ana say obi BP no e wo form ana say wo soro hypertension say wo form a na efe no hypotension ba say e wo soro a efe no hypertension tension ba e wo form dia efe no hypotension yi kire bebre wo betumi a kire say asumesi ebia me BP e kosoro ana say bibisa ba me asana me di symptoms no betwem no Meka say BP are very dangerous. And prempi no so no nkofo awo BP na they don't show symptoms.
Oh really?
Yeah. Prempi no omo BP no omo nya BP no akoso no omo show symptoms omo nyama bia nche say ni BP no
wow
was soro kosoro
eso
onam ho kosi time a BP no ebe koso say maka cho say 120 to 135 normal you friend say normal no but say unya bibi be say 150 160 a unhu symptom bia wo abrabo say me BP no kosoro
unam ho normal
kosi time a BP no be kwa kodu baby ti say 180 190 ahonum na obehu say nyama bi ayi no ho ade a kire kakra
tsedien
enunti na yeka say BP no a silent killer.
Yeah, matisa word.
Yes, a silent killer because it doesn't show symptoms when it's starting. Yeah, but when it gets to its peak, I could do a strong more. Bia no bet me ayafa hono. Then symptoms begin to show. Enunti so na yeka say so be enya sa symptoms no bia ntem onko hospital bia
symptoms ni bi na bia no bia du 180
oni mu yayi enti symptoms ni bi no eni se oti be ya oya okay headache
pacho doctor person pacho e dey migraine na dey because normally you ti have you say migraine
no correct migraine no enunu on say enu see a type of headache your types of headache your forms of headache and tiji so nipan ba hospital na doctor na hwehwemu an say oh we there a migraine na anya BP cause we there a migraine na anya malaria yanka hu say ya sitina yo mu no yare bia no symptoms no esise yare bia say malaria o say typhoid o say BP o say debon omo ina no kra symptom ba ko
okay
say infection bi na wanya ni na mu ina mu kita symptoms no e bi esise
okay
otibet mi apayo wo malaria otibet mi apayo so BP no kosro abro so a edu be say 180 a otibet mi apayo wonya typhoid so otibet mi den apayo wonya infection even ko common cold yiku akona otibet mi apayo and some of the symptoms no it cut across and migraine na o kanu also a type of headache. Headaches no your mood types. Maybe next time you be fa etinu kwa kasa fa etinu.
Yeah. Enti we ne headache no say that here.
Migraine no this na ye kanu no. It's also a type of headache. Na no that type of headache no it affects only one side.
Okay.
Always it is one side. And I show etina ya chiche etinu. Ya chiche your frontal
me
hano frontal
okay
occipital
what's that
occipital otiko
that's right
parental awo usida
okay.
Enti no ya chichem
okay
enti anytime bia aye migraine bia no utun say one side no be ya say ye occipital na occipital be ya say frontal be ya
okay
but when it comes to hypertension and I say high BP there etinumu yina ebe ya otu say anya one side na ya bebia na ya sana
so that's the difference
but
mo amuti amone na migraine mati say migraine there one side be pressure there utimu nyina na aise na utimu ebo meboa emu adudududu
na say uti ase utinu ase humi bisa na emu ye oya
na say quickly
so ba hospital in fact all forms of headache so the ba hospital in them.
I see.
Yes, even there are certain headaches binumu a ye mfam ba ye normal hospital say
sir
ye the cause psychiatric hospitals
adene no na ya bodama na
there be enu nche say ebia obi a obekọ psychiatric hospital bia che say wa bodam there be enye sanity
but headache be na the cause
headache persistent headaches ebia headache bi ye wako hospital na doctor na hwehwemu aye test bebrama ye labs so many labs but onhwe still you are complaining say headache ukoyama odu anumendo bebre enu no my advice say o de be cause psychiatric hospital bia ben
no kwana no pa na nyumre
anytime bia
obi who pay us brain what
enu ni perception na ewo omanu mu enye enti say yen jaisa no anya obi na ko psychiatric hospital na say nipa no abodam ana say o wadwum yare bisa there be anya obi mo honum no etipaye common headache you say so the call na specialist no hwe no
ehwe no
yes
okay
yes
but
headache no
okay
symptom ba ko no
yeah yankwa other symptoms so
dizziness and subriye oni subebreo enti say hypertension a otun say wo ho no na oni su ebreo that means say bp no akodu be say 180 no ensima meka ni na symptoms ameka ho asem ni na no bp no akosoro.
But can low BP too cause dizziness?
Yes. Low BP can also cause it. Low BP can also cause headache.
Really?
Yes. Until like I say, when you see certain symptoms, come to hospital for the professional to diagnose you. Men can say me tie me ya na wa ko to drop your drugstore keke ana many su bring me wa ko drugstore say me wa ko to drop. There be bra. Na yenye the necessary thing no ema. Anti dizziness e wo ho e ka ho bi anti na heaviness in the head utima yodududu ana say utinuma aye light bisa aye two things either say be light and say be heavy okay anti heaviness in the head no so no it means utinuma yodududu na abeso nko ho ba bisa no no so aye indication say aye pressure yes
wow
yes chest pain.
Okay.
Chest pain. Wo ho no mo bo se obo aye oya. Enye obo a aye oya bia ne na eche se e bia wa koma ade bi su na obo ye oya.
E macho.
Obi o bi se wa ko lift e bi wa ko macho na e bia no bo ye ne ya de enye ni nyina.
Okay.
Wo ho keke na se obo aye oya.
Onye hwe.
Wa onim se man koma ade bia so, man koma block bia so, na so me bo ye me ya. I say them so I say we go hospital. Because you were adibia friend angina pectoris and yes angina pectoris no
yeah
ni na ni say ubo ayoya na enunu aliki to so many things ebetumi I lead to ebia CVA stroke
but you know CVA
stroke ebia cardiac arrest.
But what's the difference between stroke and cardiac arrest?
Okay, yanko enim kakra. Yanko enim kakra. Yebe du ho no.
Okay.
Yes, you do ho na ye kan na etifo no ati say yes. Enti say o chest eye o ya. That means say so to me visit hospital time because we don't know. Ebetumi aban say high BP no and e koso sa. Ebetumi aban say stroke BP say ye yibi or baby. Ebetumi aban say unya cardiac arrest no because ni na no heart related diseases and issues and you say yeah and then there were blood vision as you so you see as unsheda hu ade ni papa as nipa no wechira hu nipa no yie enu so sana so ba hospital tem eba ni sana e check you pressure no na ye hwe say pressure no wo BP na ye do 2 BP do so kakra ye be refer no akọ eye specialist ensu no so na adwuma se na be ya obe si udadem anti blood vision eka symptoms na ye ka ho asem no eho another one intense most no any say ohuni be obenya the friend epistasis ana say ohuni be emu be free moja ohuni be free
no fancy we are na ohuni free moja.
Yes, so many things can cause that. So many things can cause it, but you know say ye bano related to BP so eno so betumi ohuni be free moja. Yeah, na enu no eba no bebre.
Okay.
Yes, eba no bebre na etumi ban as a clot. But the na uko not na enu no omuhuni mu moja kakra no enu no hunu bebre. Sometimes you not even know until so do search when you na you say moja yeah that one no ebia hunu mu ntinu binu ana say essence hon my dry ntina ebia abanisa
wow
na abanisa ntinu wo ho eni so wo ho ana say abanisa so no ba hospital a ye check you yet me here say ebia abnormal heart sounds say na say wakuma ne ebon rhythm no embon sa on say akuma na say bo ku ka ase nice beat bi obi bo
na say sound na nom dey anwum no
na dey anwum enti sound na say ba no say bo ku ka
okay
ku ka
wow
ku ka but obi honum a
ne bo kukukuku
ebo kikikiki
na ne wo
na aja ebi so honum a e bonnet say ase ayi horse horse ka ne chidin di say ponko ase ponko tumika ku enti obeti say sound ni bi ebe yesa ni na wo asechire ani be bia as ade ase wa akoma no ho
really
sure ebi hon so a obon say akoma no bebo ebo kikikiki na jai na bo na ye na jai na bo ku ka kikikiki na jai ku ka
you know a bit pa
we
sa ko de nya
we ya
serious
enti those are some of the symptoms no those are some of the but ni na no all these symptoms na ya bobo so no other sickness to me present with the same symptoms.
Oh, okay.
And the
best way is to come to the hospital.
To come to hospital for the professional to do what is supposed to do for you.
Doc, I said, okay, am I your send your heart no? Just say, connected because also when you meet me here, it means that the heart is the most important tissue in our body.
Yes, you can say all the organs in our body system is very important. Say static ka ebenumu so asema they say kidney no so asema one share obeka say na kidney so important sin asumesi
okay
and you know ni na yenum kwa ewe esen ni techama na gu yenum no ebiadi na adwuma yes and your body system no obia ni adwuma edie na ni na so no play a very vital role awo yemu
okay you know the causes of BP na meya ebetimi am BP an idea na meya emma me BP
yo me that say BP causes no so no those it is symptoms no
okay
frankly speaking no symptoms ni bi na mboso
pastor said
ebisu ti say unasi betata
unasi tata
yeah unasi betumi atata BP
no obinya man na unasi tata
eno so ho BP den so ho enta me ka say demi bosu na ebinu su ewo bia enye BP BP no so ebisu ni say unasi betumi atata enu no say nipa no enya complicating complication ba ku bi aye fe no CCF congestive cardiac failure enu no say nipa no nya sa complication na ebetumi amane na say aiden atata
congestive
cardiac failure
yes na kuma na sai
yedu ha failure na say na kuma na say ba say na say akuma no yedwuma no entumi nyedwuma sa biom ense akuma no move moja through the system
yeah
enti say moja no entumi nkono sana etumi ma moja no tumi beta wo na ase etumi man bibisa esi
okay
na ebetumi symptom ba ko ne so say untumi humiye shortness of breath
okay
and a difficulty in breathing
yeah
and you humia humini siso papa
so da why say na ho tete
waso ho tete usu a unni asthma usu unni asthma
okay
unni pneumonia
yeah when say we are
fast eba hospital and you can causes no so no the same way symptoms no etie no the same way na causes no so tie causes no so edoso ye pa
acho yenko
de be sha se free no say eye ebi ohonumu a wunyine no obetumi anya BP.
You are living a good life.
You are living a good life. Oh, yes.
Exercise. Yeah, but you can just get BP.
You can get BP. H.
I know your friends.
Oh, and you know it's the same BP now.
Yeah, but you can.
Yes.
Hey, and that's an exercise in there.
Yes. Oh, there be exercise in your exercise in here.
So but living.
Yeah, but you know, your heart also becomes weak.
Okay.
Nerves na wo mu no so no.
Kofom.
Enti no ebetumi ama bibisa no besi. Kan we say me catch you say the very day na uye moja to da mama yem no the first organ to come out within one month no 1 month na wo to ma me ye phone no akoma na ba
akoma no
e wo hodida
na for me
e wo hodida
wow
enti e be start abiti ayedwuma saa fiti tama wo ye mojatua e do ma me dem saa ya wo ababonte enti I started edwuma ache I started edwuma ache enti no as you are aging no anu so enyi ha enti e betumi adis obetumi anya BP say unyina ebia about 50 years ikono enu ohonu na say exercise no nyemo
okay we hear vigorous
exercise no enye vigorous per se enye exercise say u ko park so akotrumeka ana u ko park so akobobolu ana say
exercise dey macho
enye no say at the age of 50 years no ekono exercise ube ye ni say at least no man 90 dollars kakra bia ofi ha ko ha no ma 90 men ka se me fa ka to bi so a 90 wo mua na wako jogging ba ku mienu bi but mostly no it should be exercise yes bia obe 90 more obe 90 more obi no mu wo ayi machines a wo fi a they use in the house ni na eboa pa until from the ages of 50 years no na obetumi ayi den I started exercise na oye abisuni say overweight
why kesi abro so ebia nipa no enye san note on say na say no ye mba na ma ba no bebre na say omumpe say omoye be slim bebre
no a friend good living no na so enye
yes wenye ska
enye okay yes on say obinum tumi eba hospital ka che say doctor ye me pese me ye kese kakra
okay o peso ye kese kakra
wow obimusu ba ebe ka che say me pese me suti
okay
but the doors no eye omo pese me ye kese no se na yakopo bon no eye enye kese bia na obeye ye kese na onunu ndro bi so be kese a wo increase your cholesterol
okay
our system na cholesterol yi ebetumi amma wanya sa BP so ebetumi amma wanya heart failure and I say stroke yebi
okay
yes cholesterol
no
ebetumi amma wanya stroke yebi ebetumi amma wanya cardiac arrest no
okay
boso intern ebetumi amma wanya cardiac arrest no so bi because your cholesterol ni na ni say intin na wo mu no emu asisi emu asisi with fat
okay
for instance wo fie na say inso wa connect pipe eba wo fie a inso na ba fie na serve mo fie no ba say notie bi ana bebi kosi mu kwan a entumi man so mba fie ntino you are deprived from getting water into your
house yes no na cholesterol na build it up
build it hair and the cholesterol no kosisi entino mo ebe makoma no enye djuma te say na akoma no be na djuma na ni na no better result into this BP too much intake of sodium chloride and sugar salt
okay
salt nchini ayedi no nchini dia ni oduane mu a enye de
dabi
bible kwa kan
nchini
kakra oduane mu a ede nchini ya de a eye pa ewo ayasetene mu se preserve nyama bi maye ma duane so ye de eye de nanso odi ni too much a edisa BP bebro
na say obi o kocho ba osimo me nchan from him
mistake na eye
enye say o yes
enye say o yes a ukoto se oyere bra oduane na nchini ni ma mesrem be ma no se dami se oyere ni do pa odo
doctor wan fa nchina ntu aduane mu
wan fa nchina ntu odo
sa
on person obewu aja ni ntem because nchini ye one of the major cause of hypertension.
Oh really?
Yes. And he say wifi ma oduane na say oduane ni nchini ni ma men ka say wifi wo de bia de oduane de onu a nchini nim wo de fa nchini brame na wa sand nchini akoguma no quite dangerous because nchini na odigumu no anko jaso wo de akogumu direct entino eno so ye very bad habit ye mbema no bi a ye sese ye jai sese ye jai Smoking. Tampe. Na say brand am bayi omo pe smoking pa. Smoking pa. Shisha ne mu ni sayama ni na smoke. Enye shisha no say smoking na. Smoking na. No, there be just that flavor be no mo dia fra no. Nyama bi no mo dia fra. Say na be ya be ma good flavor be smoking. And it worries the heart a lot, and then the kidney, and then the lungs. A bread on my hand, acid. Yes, a bread on my hand, acid. You I did be a friend pregnancy-induced hypertension. And no, a potocas and a macanisa, but ni nasi chance a pin for ni bisunya BP. No, only BP dada, only BP. But one yemono. Wanya BP. Yes, it's one of the hormones na for me and my baby ni ba ni sayamano and a causes are until to me say I'll pay for ni be honomo omu no say omu BP no omu nyima na BP na ba. Okay. But omu wo wie pe na BP no aide na ohun baby afa.
So you should be worried if your wife is having BP during pregnancy. You should be worried.
Oh, you should be. You should be, yes, you should be worried. Yes, I bet me dinako. Say if your wife is pregnant, can you say if your wife is pregnant, it's either she's carrying one or more child.
Yeah, that's
I count also know am I 3 4 no and I say 2 3 4. So that person alone na osambenya BP it can affect the child. It can affect delivery time I say or the one inside money na and you're worried. I bet me about say some of them to know when the BP when they get the BP during pregnancy, when they get the BP during pregnancy, what happens is that after delivery, they don't the BP doesn't go, it stays.
Now
yes.
Now
a part of you. That means you are taking donor now befa. Those who get BP, they are also put on medications.
Okay.
And yes, menyim and a menya BP until minimum BP drop. So no.
Now is people do eti a mema me brain corn. Yes, o kopa na kotewu. Oh, eso be ma bewu. O your ban so e ma watenka e kwachiri. Is it sanity?
Yes, sanity. But a draw. On sanity. A draw bia was side effects. Even paracetamol ye no. A more dangerous drug.
Oh really?
Yes.
Than BP drug.
Even than BP drug.
Oh really?
Yeah, common paracetamol no. It's more dangerous. Yes. Entina as so ba hospital na diagnose. Enti common paracetamol so our side effect enye kra.
Okay.
Enti do bia side effect. Ena sa hypertension no, any BP no. Sorry, hypertension na BP no.
Yeah.
And I said diabetes no. I bet me ma ubema sa yare na kasa no bet me ma ubema enye djuma.
Enye dro na be fa.
Enye dro no. Yare no bet me ama sa nyama no enye djuma.
Pacha mpesa utim ho yi. Yenti a bebre num adro no especially mema no.
Yes.
Omso mbema bebu. Onye bema biem. Bene no pacha mse enye adro no na yare ni mum ne mema obema no.
Sa pepe.
Okay.
Enti me ka me hwe camera no ma camera me tie flat.
I want to ase.
Say adro bia e was side effect. Adro bia e won susanso a odi bebre wo.
Okay, body no.
Odi bebre body no. Nanso no enye BP dro no ene ma ebe ma obema enye djuma. Na BP na kasa na eye yare na kasa. One manage ni year.
Okay.
And the complications bebre.
This is good education.
Na sa complications no ebi ni se obema enye djuma.
Oh, one fair grow na. And no na obema ni nye djuma because of complication.
Because of complication.
Wow. Na mpese ho no de.
Ena me pese me ye tie fo nso ntie se BP do no ye wo mu be se 1000 e dose bebre. Enti uba hospital na doctor no the best so ahwe se de hin na yema wa. Enti all the way so na uba no aka say doctor we me konu mu ye no metie me ya. Obeka so ne yenja we yen yusu we. Me konu mu we no ase makoma bon tentem yenja we yen enti all the best so sa ko si time ubenya wo de wo. Enti sane etie.
Okay.
Yes, enti sane etie.
Education there yo. See mpacho complications be or nya BP na one treating no. Yeah, what are the complications of it?
Yes.
Federal,
yes, good, very good one. But you courses no.
Course,
yeah, me best me be me person. This say na or you can say that BP draw obi mu say me no mo a me bema enye djuma no. Ye won draw bi no mu so ho a enye BP draw. This is certain medications. So betumi ama wanya BP no.
To say the
me bodo bia din. Nanso no ye won draw bi so ho no a.
Dog me tia me machine.
Yeah.
O kasi ye wardrobe bi wo ho a ebema BP a na ye nima. Obi wo ho a any lifestyle draw no.
Yeah.
Enti edro bi tis edro bi ye den o de me amodi.
Yes.
Edro bi ye den. Eno na ebema BP no.
On say say question we very
me ti ase o ba me pese obodi.
Yeah, me body.
O boss e say edro bi wo ho a
yes.
take it for way. Edro say o 5 betimi ama BP. Edro atimi ye we.
Ye call so ahwe a the me kan na fa we no hu say wo yare a bra hospital. Wo ba hospital na o doctor na obema odu no wo ho kwan. Edro bia doctor be trauma o. Eti for enti ha ni ye. Wo ko hospital ana se wo ba me chen ha. Na se me twa edroma wa. Edro bia me trauma obia no wo ho kwan se wo be san ko doctor no akobisa edro no questions.
Oh really? Make me some question.
Sure.
But me dey for say me bana ni obeka doctor beka me smate.
There be
ese me bisa.
Yes.
Say where den?
Where ye den? E say me hu edro a me ko akodom.
Okay.
On say naturally no say uba doctor no na doctor no bisa question na doctor no cheche mu a wo rehyimu say wo do me konuma me ho beto me.
Okay.
You don't have any minds and you set bia e ka edo no ho. Usu a e ba ne se na wo mia wo yire ho enum edo no ma ho to.
Doctor, me Matthias you but who say you obi wo hon ma pastor mo ye kan. Ibi kaka no akono. Aye part and parcel of him. If you matter say most of our your friends say drinks here you no mu ebi your friend energy
boosters yes.
That is the danger. I me person you zooming on kakra. Me can say bo drink bidding, me can say bo drink bidding.
Yeah.
But a day na me ya metimi enye bi. A day type of no baby a draw a for a tipa of fan bebra benya bi. Saka kana pesa oka.
Yes.
Na omo jai.
No kre. Paracetamol. Say hepatotoxic.
Then
hepatotoxic. Yeah. Meka hepatotoxic.
Yeah.
Ese ubrebo.
Oh really?
Yes.
Oh doctor, what's he saying?
Ese ubrebo.
Liver no.
Yes, liver no. Paracetamol. Overdose of paracetamol no. Ebetumi ese liver.
Because obi fa paracetamol dey bia o.
Yeah, you're wrong. That is why I say nipa no oba hospital.
Yeah.
And na nipa ni ba hospital so a edu a onum dida no ofa ka ho fambrema doctor. Yes. Obi ohonum a omo ba hospital a na obisa say oyare no edisen on say yemu bebre no yen ka nokre. Entinu yemu say ye ba hospital so a yen betwa ntroche doctor. Wo ba doctor no betwa ntroche doctor dia na che say wo kun ho no enye doctor ni fault. On say na identity. O pastor, o doctor, any o lawyer there.
And so
try ntroche om.
Nipa mi ensen. Okay.
O sofo
ba yiri do betimi atwa ntro kakaka.
Obi kan obabi ma meti say some of the lies are holy lies.
Yeah, holy lies they are there.
But yeah, say a ban medical there. Yeah. I say you say man for.
Okay.
Uba hospital doctor be say o yare no edibusumi sen da hine hyase a. Unim say a hyase na otwe ba kwa men ka chen say nani nansa. Kanukwe no. Yeah. Hyase no wanu medrobi. O makoto dobi odo store anum. O di bi baye. Me di bi baye no da chair doctor no. Enti say nyama no na say mani na no say ye ba na yantumi anka no te say na me kan na ana say yantumi anye no am find do na be kira. Ka hu say wanum san do no bi deda. Na say doctor no san decide do no na pim so ma wa. Na wusu wan ba be some question na quite say you are taking overdose, you are abusing the drug.
Oh okay.
Enti say yehwe na enti certain medications can also cause hypertension. Sanso na certain medical conditions can cause hypertension. Medical condition yare obi anya yare bi dida. Say yare no betumi ama ne BP akosoro. Yare bi ti say diabetes say. Diabetes ni BP there asem ye ntafo. So obinya diabetes ahwɛ obenya BP so aka ho obinya BP so ahwɛ obenya diabetes so aka ho
I see
akɔ nim kakra obenya obetumi anya and it's like they are friends they are relatives and they are from the same mother.
Wow.
Yes, and that and so ho stress can also cause your BP to rise. Adwendwen stress ebia unje wa home Ghana no yes Ghana headi ntino ukuhu se obeye djuma at least you have to get food on the table for your family to eat ntino ukuhu eni na no ebetumi ama BP be den ebetumi akosoro another year mpese ye kan ahubie na yakọ complications
no
enusu eni say no any form of physiological activities otifako Odi ani say o sorry a wa betina se wo didi wada wo ti office wa bo computer wo ti o sorry na nte kakra wo atena fa kwa che o say ni na activity so we yes certain some activity be at least wo tina se kakra be say 1 hour 1.5 hour 2 hours so utumi nante wo sorry ko nante be say 15 minutes 10 minutes no asaba betina se ninu sunu ebe boa ma circulation no moja na ewo mu na different sane no be different sane ye na the system work perfectly and say lack of doing this kind of physical activities no can also cause your BP to rise.
Wow. Achambra complications
but I say complications of hypertension make us say damage to the heart and I say coronary arteries na wo akoma no ye wa ahoma ho pipe no ntina yi moja no femu ni na no ebia wodin na ba ku bi ye fa no coronary arteries sa artery no adijuma esronko pa awo nipadua no enti etobi so a emu no tumi block etobi so a etumi ye djuma chenti no wago ani na betumi anase etumi say ni na betumi ama BP no complication na BP no na cause sadie
no because of the constant pressure
no ni pressure na cause do nti no betumi asay no eno ho ye na yo heart attack ya ye ka ho asem heart attack no almost so hase no heart attack no ni na ni say ka heart attack ni na ni say moja na say eko akoma no ho no the heart is not getting enough blood and then enough oxygen it's not going to the heart the heart is deprived from oxygen and blood red cells no and na betumi ama sa heart attack no
wow
and a stroke nso no the same thing
stroke dey home
stroke nso no say
BP na dey ba home
enu so BP dey ba enu so no the brain is deprived from blood flow.
Yeah, but fact that topic no kwa
stroke no kwa.
And also they say young guys kabon so be nam na like 7 and 90 nyina achia
na
akoya one day me no be Saturday any type of strokes ni sanya are very very important.
Me that say.
Yeah,
me that say. Enti heart attack no. Ana the stroke no so ewo ho. Enti all these complications no complications are free BP no. BP no insusu anso no. Yes, our ni peduano so. Ana ewo congestive cardiac failure na me kan wan asem previously no. Anu so wo ho. Ni na insusu anso a BP no ediba. Ha. Ye wo kidney damage. Kidney be say and I say kidney failure. Yeah, hypertension etumi di kidney failure.
Engineer honum na say dialysis boy thing. Yes, for something.
Yes.
Na last time no Dr. B or Castle say there were suggestions saying can find to national health. So
me that say say ano cost na kosro.
Very
pa and most people can't afford to go on dialysis. And he say na doctor ne kano. Omo the two national health insurance so are excellent. Perfect.
So you support it?
I support it.
Okay.
I support it.
Okay.
Send a people can go on dialysis because some people go on dialysis every week. Sometimes some people 2-3 times in a week. Just imagine, say costs na say why would the person get that money? Say you need to dialysis for 3 times in a week.
Doc, we say amenya information me say obi pese otwiti kidney solely or so because problem emerging problem it me share here for boss say any doc a very extensive issue on the kidney and why kidney failure is now like a year we are cause problem and no you be sound by tree trust doctor
that's it you be treat am omotie you treat so omokono mokotie ana me boa
omutie me nya messages ba
oh good omutie so omfanye adwuma and you the most important you know and you know kidney damage you know and you know media I support mama me saso say yemfanka NHIS national health insurance ebe boa pa yes and then blood vision na e ka ho asem no blood vision so wani so no ntina wo wani so no BP to me say no
and so when we fra
to me francophone any wow BP
to me blind
to me blind to me light dum yes anything na e ka ho asem say BP no a silent killer enye yarepa entino se ohu nyama bia bra hospital enupo nche se ube yare anase ube hu symptoms bia sama ba hospital wo de ho no mu a every month no bora hospital bia ben obia
check it
mpa chom pese me check BP obia ni Ghana ha no mu a hospital bia ni Ghana ha no mu a uko se me pa chom nurse check me BP mami check me pressure mami obaji uska
ya buy kwa nurse na say free
free
o catch me o say free nti mi wi am na me camera guy nye ko check
mo ko check nti say obia suba
o say free
nti u check BP hospital bia ben obia no ko every month bia no wo de ko na ko check wo ko check a wo de per book bi ana paper bi na chochogo so na wakasa so monitor
say kwa
na say ba foma hospital bia no hono mu a wo be kwa check BP a ye ba juska enti tie Mundi sumame na ubetumi anya the friend loss of memory yes BP ko ya o complications say
I'm surprised now can get the loss of memory na so wo ha nkai obi abiem
nkai obi a ubetumi anya loss of memory yes ani ubetumi anya both loss of memory say present and past
nkai hwe
and as a present one ponu wo hon ma wo ka hu dia wo ka sem sesi akose minim dia mekan
anyway you need work psychiatric we ka say we ya bodam
David psychiatric hospital no hospital papa enye obia so na e psychiatric hospital a chese wo problem
ya ka
yes ya ka
Matthias
anti loss of memory just na mekan and your friend say amnesia of course we say amnesia na say unkai bibia there were two forms of amnesia there were present and past present amnesia past amnesia
me kai me dachi
yes
na me kai ne tu bia na se ya
e bia me no ti ha ye bon komo se si
afa me se me kai
30 seconds ma ka se bi so me kai o da be no kai me kai bi so that's the present
na yempanifo me mass say wona mo say asem no kura mantio no de enyi na say no
say anti amnesia na ye kana na say loss of memory na ye kana age etumi diba e bia one day so no ye be ka ho asem
ye be ka ho asem enye one day ye be ka ni na ye be ka ho asem
yes and I san work on another complication from angina pectoris angina pectoris no I say ubo ayoya obi ho no ma say doctor me buya me ya me feel tightness tightness e wo me bo enu no aye angina pectoris no
angina
just say blood flow to the heart any chest you know to thoracic area no it's not enough
okay
it's not enough you know bet me am sa pain no ente the sa pain ni bro na say uti pain no radiating pain no no radiating pain bet me radiate and I say bet me move from obono e dey call left shoulder
okay your left shoulder
okay. Say about left shoulder na eh so to make a gidi ensa no bet me anya heart attack.
Wow.
Yes.
Pain about left shoulder pa rash.
Yes.
From
me symptom na concerning you know e bia fit okon ha. Okon ensa the back or left shoulder no uti pain no ho. E wo so ahun koma bibia so unti unya bibia na uti pain no na back chest. Yeah, so ba hospital. Me find dia agrokra.
Okay.
So ba hospital. Ena sena onim ya makache odida se mbema no enye dru no
na yare no na bema bema wu
na bema obema off
ende mo mu pa
enti no mesrem
yeah
ednu so ebetumi ama obema akọ off abetumi ama obema akọ off
madam bi se obema be ko de ni nyame kumi
ya de hunya ye pa o
hunya
pa yakupon kasa ni
ono anim se
yakupon nim se hunya enti odi kan ye ho
e de apa
hunya ye pa enti no ebetumi ama obema akọ off bp no ebetumi ama obema akọ off enti mesrem ukọ hospital na doctor de otu bp do so a fan se na se fan pepepe me wo obi da soro ho on ba me hada Endra and obaye na ne bipin ye 200 over 110.
Ene so no ko
oyoba onko ye otiase nyakopo adom bipin na aba fom sesi ano ya drop bipin no ama sesi a bipin no aba 140 90
on okay
yeah okay 140 90 na obaye no o si omudine to bp dro so wanu bp dro no be 6 months ana ojai no ai enti anu ni complain na odi bai no aye nani su biri no na ne tie ne ya na ne tini bom kum ana nani su aye den ebre no
doctor nti edro no de nyan nom da
dabi ye di to bp dro so a ye wo kwan ye fa so ayi obi fi bp dro so
oh yetimi yi obi fi
yeah yetimi yi ni pan fi ba ye wo kwan ye fa so ade ye
okay
any say nipa no doctor no dey want to be pidro so e ba ni sana obe reduce edo na mo kakra se na e come out no reduce no abedu baby no wa just ato sa e hono mo no afye se sen na eyema wana kakra sa na ode betuma UF so on say na but enye se wo nu baby wa
say me okay
enti mami bai no o se ne tipai no na ni subre no na onti oni sebi oni nikunu ya wodi 45 years onti feeling
loss of libido
yes onti hwe
man loss of libido
enti owo de bp betumi aye
yeah
enti bp no I betumi ama bema obeko off oba so unti atinka
hey Doc, wait, this is an extensive education.
Yes.
Me just me suya de wom. Ni se won so ahwe wa suya de. Doc, Doc Hatchu Newell. Ye dase na ye be san ba biem. Ye be ade we part 2.
Me dase.
Ye be ba ni abe part 2 because ni ama na ye wie. Ebi wo bebre nti ye de besi ha. Ni asamba ni aba be part 2. Pacho Dr. Hatchu Newell or maximum right?
Yeah, maximum care plus.
Maximum care plus free pipe down on do after first round, second round, but say come be or no a honda ye buy ye and back kitchen come ya rea agin sem media me hu ni say a epidemic
sir.
In Kwafo hu ni sir, but BP has become an epidemic in Ghana. Because one, education like this, we are not getting it. People don't even know they have BP. And if they have, what do they do? In Myanmar, papa. Lifestyle, say, remember, yet what you're no from Monday to Friday. All these things are worrying us. all these things are worrying us. No yenya extensive education. Aha, eye expose GH. I happen to be in some say war. Every week, ye did this education member ni who bibi. Now who bibi so accept what they bar me pacho. Who throw comment section na ya be a how be a Dr. Hachu newer or Becca bibia a young on semi word chima won't me won't ya sing now or the better. Me pacho dog pacho for number to ja. Ebia no be personally or fro now or no ye one-on-one. You know, staff say, Doctor, I mean, we as a chairman, say, part of our number two.
Me that say, you puni de bia ma obia, ye juma 24/7.
Okay.
Ewo ahanomo.
Okay.
Oba anopo ba be to doctor. Ewia oba be to doctor. Anajo ahoma chen na
oba be to doctor.
24 hours. Na ye wo ha.
Okay.
Ye wo lab wo ho. Ye twa scan. Ye wo pharmacy kese pa wo ha. Ye ndro bia opebia obanya bi. Ewo ahanomo. Enti ba se opese wo frame me so personal na min chill nyama bi so ase a me number is 0244 80 47 48
pacho bobiem
0244 80 47 48
doctor nyame sure na nyame ka ho I expose GH ushia me afem kofi afọ akwana bambrusa meje so that's ne ye be Sunday another education aba manuasi bye bye.